Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise question number 15 and 15, 16 and 17 from exercise 11.3 chapter 11 perimeter and area. In question number 15, find the circumference of the inner and outer circle shown in the adjoining figure. You can see clearly one diagram is given. One circle, the outer circle is there whose radius is given 19, and the width of the path, the outer circle, the thickness of the inner and outer circle, the width of this path is 10 meter. It is 19 meter. Radius of the outer circle is 19 meter, and this portion is 10 meter. That means if it is 10 meter, then this one also 10 meter, this one also 10 meter, this portion is also 10 meter. Then what will be the radius of the outer circle and inner circle? You have to find out, because you have to find the circumference of the two circles, outer circle and inner circle. So before finding the circumference of the outer circle and inner circle, we have to find out the radius first. So in the question it is clearly given that radius of the outer circle, it is 19 meter. So radius of the outer circle is equal to 19 meter. It is very clear. And radius of the inner circle, therefore radius of the inner circle equal to this thickness, this width you have to subtract from the outer circle to get the inner radius of the inner circle, because the radius of the inner circle is up to here only. So you have to subtract this thickness or the width of the path. So radius of the inner circle 19 minus 10 meter, that is 9 meter. Now it is very easy to find out the circumference of the outer circle by using this radius, and circumference of the inner circle by using the radius 9 meter. Okay. Now radius circumference of the two circles. Now circumference of the outer circle is equal to 2 pi r, and value of r is given 3.14. In the question it is clearly given, so you have to use this value. 2 into 3.14 into outer circle's radius is 19 meter. If you multiply 3.14 into 38, that is multiply it, and it will be 119 point multiply 0.32 meter. Similarly, circumference of the inner circle, 2 pi, say it is r1 and it is r2. So 2 into 3.14 into, it is 9. Inner circle, radius of the inner circle is 9, so 9 meter. Multiply all, you will get 56.52 meter. 56.52 meter. So only this you have to find out first, circumference of the outer circle and circumference of the inner circle. Understood? Next sum is next. Now next question is question number 16. Read the question properly. How many times a wheel of radius 28 cm must rotate to go 352 meter? Be careful, it is centimeter, radius is given in centimeter, and the distance to cover, to rotate, is 352 meter. So you have to convert in same unit to solve the sum. First of all, the concept is, when look at this wheel. Look at this wheel. Say I have marked here another with another color. Now you will see, students, you will check it. If I start rotating from this portion, and one complete revolution, one complete rotation, when it will complete one rotation up to here, when it will complete one rotation, that means it will cover its circumference. From here, when it will complete one revolution, one rotation, it will come to this side. That means the distance covered by the wheel is in one circumference, in one rotation. In one rotation, it will complete its one length of the circumference in one time. So I will use this concept here. Now, radius, solution of this sum. Radius of the wheel, radius 28 centimeter, distance to cover 352 meter, or 352 into 100 centimeter, 35200 centimeter. Now the distance covered by a wheel in one rotation. Now the distance covered by a wheel covered by a wheel in one rotation is equal to circumference, its circumference, therefore circumference to pi r, value of pi is given 22/7 and radius is 28 centimeter. Cancel it, 7 4s are 28. Now 8 into 22 centimeter, 176 centimeter. Now in one rotation it will cover 176. In one rotation it will cover 176 centimeter. So by using unitary method you can find out. Therefore how many times the wheel will rotate to cover 176, number of rotation, one, because one circumference, one rotation. To cover 176 centimeter, number of rotation required 1. You can write in this way also. To cover 176 centimeter required number of rotation 1. Therefore, to cover 1 centimeter, required number of rotation will be very less. So 176 number of rotation, no unit is required. To cover 35,200 centimeter, rotation required 1 into 35200 by 176. 176, if you divide 176, multiply 176 into 2, you will get 352, and then 2 zeros are there, therefore 200 times. So the number of rotation required is 1 time, and it is 200 times. So I hope the sum will be easy for you if you watch the video properly and try to understand. Next question is question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Now look at this round circular clock where the minute hand is will rotate 1 round. That means it will move 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Each part is 5 minutes. So 5 into 12, 60 minutes. The minute hand, in 60 minutes, the minute hand will complete one rotation, one circulation, this circular path. It will complete its rotation. So in one rotation, the minute hand will complete one rotation. The distance of the complete circumference it will cover in 1 hour. 1 hour, solution of this sum, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, you know. So in 60 minutes, the minute hand will complete its one rotation. That means its one circumference is required to the time 60 minute time is required to complete one rotation. The length of this minute hand is 15 centimeter. It is 15 centimeter. That means radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. So the motion portion it will move is 15 centimeter. The radius of the circle. Now the radius of the circle, radius of this, the path that which will rotate by this minute hand is 15 centimeter. Therefore circumference or the distance covered by the minute hand is equal to 2 pi r. 2 value of pi is given 3.14, and radius is 15, so it is centimeter. 15 into 2 30, 15 into 2 it is 30, into 3.14, multiply it, and you will get the value. When you will multiply it in the right hand side, 94.20. after 2 places of decimal you need to find. So after in 1 hour or in one complete rotation it will cover 94.20 centimeter distance. So this is the answer of this sum. So I hope this will be easy for you students, but you need to practice. Thank you students.